Good afternoon. This is Dr. George again. It's good to see everyone this afternoon. I hope you all are doing well. This lecture will be on MLA Format, and you should follow MLA Format for all assignments that you turn in. Okay? So the easiest way to discuss MLA Format, I'm looking at a Word document. From that blinking, flashing cursor, the easiest thing to do is just to establish all the parameters right off the bat. So I already have my default set to Times New Roman 12-point font. Your default may be different, but and if it is different, you should change your font to Times New Roman 12-point font. The essay should be left justified throughout, or align text left, except for the title, which should be centered, and we'll get to that in a second. All assignments should be double-spaced throughout. So here at this box, just click the 2, that's double-spaced. Page layout, your margins should be 1 inch all the way around, which is normal in Microsoft Word. So click that, and that'll set your margins at 1 inch all the way around. The MLA heading should begin with your name. And I always like to use my buddy's Jim Udovitz's name. He gets a kick out of the fact that I use his name in my examples. Your instructor's name. The class, including the section number, and the date. And the date is a little bit backwards, and that MLA date looks like that. And then without skipping any space, just one enter. You will center your title. And I'll just title this for the article summaries. For example, say one more space, click back to align left, and begin writing right here. If you begin with a paragraph, you should indent 1 tab or 5 spaces. Also, you should insert a page number in the upper right-hand corner of the page over here. Just to be clear, this information is called a heading. It's a heading. When you go to insert, if you insert a header, that information will repeat even if you align it where it's supposed to be. This is your page number. When you go to the second page, if you insert a heading, it will say Udovitz 1 all the way throughout. Even if I'm on page 7, it'll still say Udovitz 1. So we are not inserting a heading. Let me undo. We are inserting a page number. So insert page number. It's always at the top of the page. In Microsoft Word, it's plain number 3. So click that. Type your name with a space. And if this is also a different font than Times New Roman 12-point, you should change that. Okay, all my defaults are already set to Times New Roman 12-point font. So the font that is on your page number should match the font that is in your heading, in the entire essay. And even though Word calls this a header, this is not a header, this is a page number. So, because I've inserted a page number, when I go to subsequent pages, you can see that now reads Udovitz 2. It numbers sequentially automatically. Page 3, and if I went on to page 7, those page numbers are inserted automatically in sequential order. Also, you do need the page, your last name and the page number on the first page, even though you have your first name here. You also need it on the first page. Okay, short and sweet. That's MLA formatting. As we move into research and as we begin incorporating outside sources into our essays, we'll continue our discussion of MLA formatting, of works cited pages, and in-text citation. But for the article summaries, this is all you need. For essay number 1, this is all you need, except here you should have a creative title. And not creative title, not the words creative title. Not the words essay number 1, but a creative title that previews essay number 1. All right, you'll have a good afternoon. Be sure to watch the other lectures that I post regarding the other assignments, the article summaries and the pretests and essay number 1. Have a good weekend. I'll talk to y'all later.